Alright, so now we want to share with you one of our plants. This is the Grumichama.
The type of cherry.
Yeah. And here we have
one.
a nice plump one.
Oh wow.
You go ahead and pick it.
That's why I love my job. I'm the harvester, as you know, and it's this passion that you bring to this kind of work that I enjoy harvesting. Check this out. This is like the first fruit.
Second.
Check this out.
Yeah, that's nice deep red.
Yeah, so I'll taste it. Oh, look at inside. I thought it was gonna be red, but it isn't. It's coming in. It's supposed to be half.
That's some for the cameraman.
Yeah, but it is really, and this is a seed that comes out of it. Now, where is this from?
Somewhere in South America, I don't recall.
But if you're familiar with this fruit, share it with us. Let us know. This is my first time having this. Limba said this is the second fruit it bear. But how long have we had this?
We've had this one for about 3 to 4 years, I think.
We're so excited.
Yeah.
Now, of course, you know, we have many fruits here, so we're going to keep sharing our different trees with you. So look forward to seeing you in the next video. Again, we're the Island Gardeners, and thanks for watching.
Yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right. Bye.